Good to go, G to G.
Here, which is Materu.
Materoni village.
Than 120 tribe. Every tribe speaking their own language. But the medium of communication to all people, it is Swahili. But English, we go to school learning. So here today you are in the Chugga. In Kilimanjaro, we have 3 tribes. We have Maasai live in lowland. We have Pare live in Usambara mountain. Also we have the Chugga. Chugga is the tribe which we live at the slope of Mount Kilimanjaro. So today we're gonna learning how Chugga we live, our foods and different kind of fruits. Yeah, also Chugga, we are the farmers. Planting banana as our main food crop, coffee as our main cash crop. Different kind of potatoes,
Food crop and cash crop.
Yeah. But the roof, it is banana skin.
Oh, banana Chugga house.
The water never penetrated. And for the roof, we change after 2 years. Yeah, but nowadays, technology, our house never penetrated. But the people who live more higher, their house are made up of timber. Yeah, the wood.
Hear some
Can hear them.
very light.
Huh?
Very
Light is some sound like that.
Mwakaribishwa Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata.
The big leaf as umbrella.
Yam potato.
Wow.
Local bar and
mpe mzungu ashike. Mpe basi.
Hey,
Sio mzungu ashike.
The female one. Normal the male has
nice chameleon.
female
Yes,
no.
mpe mzungu ashike. Mwacha ashike mwenyewe.
काटेगा ना नानो की एकदम कलर चेंज हो जाएगा और 2 घंटे में ना खाने पे चेंज हो जाएगी वो सुबह से ग्रेजुअली डार्क होएगा रात को
You want it on you?
No. 1 second please.
Oh, that's a good one.
Wow.
Look at that.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Pressure. We normally use you boiling of the strong and sour in taste, boiling, then removing the peels, then you eat. Yeah. But for the sweet one, we just eat the refreshment of potato. For her, it is for the apologize. Yeah, borrowing forgiveness. Yeah, sometimes here,
This is the yucca flower.
yucca flower. Sometimes you can have a misunderstanding with someone, then you go to his home place, then you didn't get him or her. So you can put the yucca flower on the door and you can write your name. It is possible. Perhaps my name is Brian. I can write here Brian. Brian, then I do like this. Then we put on the door. The time he will come back, we already know Brian has coming here for the apologize, but he didn't get me here. So he will even call you. If not call you, you need to go again and come down here.
Leo imekuaje bwana?
क्या नहीं खाना खा
No, you go on that side. Yeah. So go even more. Even keep your legs to the left. Yeah. Okay, now. No, don't do that. Someone need to push him? It's too small. I don't think it's going to swing. No, I think it's just
banana soup, banana beer,
banana yogurt.
Here you have what?
ये सब्जी है
Dal, sabzi,
and then beef
curry, and then pulao. And avocado.
What is this?
Champagne.
Champagne.
Pole. If you open quickly, all out.
Banana beer.
It's wine.
Banana. Okay. Banana wine.
Pointing at me.
Hakuna kitu kama. First of all, Chugga people, we live in mountain. We plant coffee, banana, potato. We are farmers.
Yeah.
You know Tanzania has too many tribes. 120 tribes. This is
Oh, wow.
Tanzania. Too many people, 60 million. Mikoba becomes some of the China.
60 million?
Yeah, 60 million. Tanzania.
Kenya is just
Yeah.
Okay.
60 million
Where is Kenya?
population.
Moshi and Kenya is
We are
like
here.
Yeah.
Kilimanjaro.
So Kilimanjaro is bordering with Kenya.
Kenya. When you look in the forest, when you go up, more time go, you go Kenya.
Why? Where is Kenya here?
that is Kenya.
Moshi, this is Moshi.
Upper
This is
Kenya.
Moshi.
Acha. We're right on the border. Okay.
And also, Kilimanjaro, we live in 3 tribes. But Tanzania, 120 tribes. Each tribe our own language. Each tribe they speaking mother language. But they speaking one language, they speaking
Swahili.
Swahili is Tanzanian communication. But Chugga, Sukuma, Hehe, Wahadzabe, they speaking their language, mother tongues. Because we are here in Kilimanjaro, today we learn about Chugga. As when you greet, we say Shimboni.
Shimboni.
Shimboni means how are you?
Shimboni. Okay.
And then we say Nachicha.
Nachicha.
Nachicha means fine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought
Much like the flower, pole,
becoming green. Pole 3 months, they change to be red. Red we harvest. One by one to pick it. After pick it, we peel it. Arabica will get 2 beans. This is Arabica. But Robusta, 1.
1 bean.
The difference in Robusta.
Robusta is 1, Arabica is 2.
When you touch it, it's slimy.
Arabica and what's the other one?
Robusta. Robusta.
When you touch it, it's slimy. You put in the water to wash it. So now the
Satish,
good and bad,
Satish, you.
good beans, down. The bad is float. We remove the one is float because you empty nothing. And then you take the good, you dry. This is the dried beans, good one.
Oily.
1 month.
There.
1 month.
I saw that one already.
After 1 month, peel it.
I peeled already. Here.
Yeah, peel it.
Here.
Yeah. And then you peel it.
Green.
You get the beans. Like you see
Like
here.
this one.
Yeah. After beans, roast it. One was here again.
So this is so.
मैं नीचे अटका हुआ है वो क्लियर होने के बाद
Ready. Yeah, normal the beans coming in the 2 holes.
whatever goes down is good, whatever stays up is bad.
Yeah.
Remove the ones on the top.
That's why we're gonna identify the good beans and the bad beans. Yeah, like here, the good beans down, but the one which floating up is the bad beans.
Yeah, you get diploma, man. A plus.
On the piece. Yeah. The motor, it is from the albizia tree.
So it doesn't break though? The seed doesn't break?
No. Here we dry our coffee in the sun for a long time, so that the time we're pounding over here, the beans will never crack, never broke. Yeah. But if the beans not
Do like this. You say tonga.
Tonga.
Means pounding. Okay. You from where?
India.
How you say pounding in Indian language?
Maro.
Dancho. You from where?
Udarani.
Udarani is a DJ. But we say ladies first.
Go ahead.
Paparazzi. What's your name? Shruti. Angisha nyimbo.
we twanga wewe twanga twanga wewe twanga 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 pole twanga aste we dinate
Dhire.
yo chote song lete she making coffee Napo India jambo bana habari gani
My friend, you are strong.
Yes. She didn't.
Kahawa. Not say coffee. Kahawa.
It's not coffee yet.
Yeah, कौन सा smell?
Coffee.
Never breaks.
Is it hot? Yeah. No. Acha. Nice.
This one you keep in the house. Keep it.
Watakunywa
Here the balance. Balance.
नेचुरल लग रहा है वाह
Kahawa.
10 दिन तक सोएगा नहीं Beautiful.
Nice.
Nice, man.
See the difference.
Yeah.
I hope you see the difference.
Yes.
More powder, more chunk. The outer part of the coffee, it is the part which get more burn. So the time we grind it, it is the part which get it is the part which it is easy to grind. Yeah, so for the best quality of coffee, mix the outer and the inner. So this we grind it again.
Oh, okay.
6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13
तेरा करो गिन 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 गिन
Now your time to sing. Coffee lover. Coffee lover.